Hey guys, welcome to another video, and in this video we will make a jet car using paper only. We won't use glue or scissors. First, fold from one side to another so that it makes a long rectangle. Then fold from one corner so that it looks like a triangle. Put your thumbs on the side and bend downwards. And do the same from the left side. Then fold from the sides and fold the bottom layer to the edge. Next, turn the paper around and repeat the procedure. Fold the sides on one side inwards now. Pull the other side and insert the triangles in the pockets. Now you can decorate with letters, numbers, patterns and colors. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share.